namanje ngiyaphinde ngiyasho futhi ngithi le mpahla wena oyibiza ngoNkulunkulu ayinandaba ukuthi wena uyasonta noma wena uyathandaza noma unenhliziyo enhle kakhulu uyaphisana ayinandaba nalonto ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi umuntu lento hey ayisebenzi ngelogic nama emotions leyanto umthetho loyo umthetho ungangitshela ukuthini ake ngithi wena umngani kaRamaphosa uzokwenzani mangabe ukuthi wena sewuphula umthetho uzomela enze njani uzomela ibe khona indlela yokuthi akubhekelele ngoba sisebenza ngomthetho la ukuthi umngani wakhe noma ukanjani uma kuukuthi uhonest kumele kusebenze umthetho kuzosebenza umthetho yona into eyenzekalayo le ukuthi ke wena uyasonta noma uyathandaza noma wenza njani it doesn't even care yabo. That is why I made a very simple example yokuthi you kunabantu obaconsider ukuthi banenhliziyo ezinhle yabo but bakuyimess nje ayibasebenzeli lezo zinto bese kwanabantu anothi ba cruel and you find them ukuthi they are cruising nicely yayizwa lona. Some are adhering to the laws consciously, some they are adhering to the laws unconsciously. That's the thing. Ayinandaba leyanto ukuthi wena wenzani. Ayinandaba, iwumthetho. It's law. Futhi ayikhulumi ngamazwi, ikhuluma ngama emotions, ikhuluma belief system, activate automatic reticular system, what you believe to be true. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Awungangizwanga ke la akawulanda imali yakhe for school fees asisebenzanga